4 stunning sets, John McEnroe returned to the WCT final.
As we learn later, Lendl is falsely accused here of cursing out a lineswoman.
What did I say?
The screen of the cameras.
What did I say? Whisper in my ear. I didn't say I'm not playing cold referee.
But in fact, Ivan Lendl did come back to play some more. His third penalty of that match cost him that 9th game of the 4th set. And eventually, John McEnroe got to match point. A big fighting comeback by John McEnroe. He was very aggressive throughout this match. And he has, in fact, sent a message to the tennis world that John McEnroe is back.
I'm hearing the loudspeaker that John is hearing. It's coming out. It's from within. It's
told me that after a few games, the people come inside.
It's outside the halls. Richard Ings is trying to.